Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I've been diving into something pretty exciting lately that I think you're going to love, especially if you're into making money online or tapping into the power of viral content. It's called 500 Chef Cooking Reels and Recipes. And honestly, it's a total game changer for anyone looking to grow their presence on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Let me break it all down for you. I'll start by saying, I've seen a lot of PLR bundles over the years, and while some are decent, this one really stands out. Why? Because it's perfectly tailored for the moment we're in right now. Short-form video content is king. People don't have the patience for long, drawn-out videos anymore. They want quick, engaging, and visually appealing clips that deliver value in seconds. And that's exactly what this bundle offers. With 500 short chef cooking and recipe videos, you have enough content to post daily for nearly an entire year. These videos are ready to upload, so there's no need to stress about creating or editing. But if you do want to make them your own, you can easily add your logo, some music, or even tweak the visuals. The best part? You get unrestricted PLR rights, meaning you can rebrand, sell, or even repurpose the content however you like. Now, here's why this is such a big opportunity. Social media platforms are prioritizing short videos. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram recently, you've probably noticed how these quick clips dominate your feed. Some creators are even making serious money just by uploading these types of videos consistently. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are throwing cash at content creators. So if you've been thinking about jumping into this space, this is your chance. What I also love about this bundle is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to be a video editing expert to start using it. The videos are done for you, which means you can start posting right away. And if you're running a business or trying to build a brand, these clips are an easy way to drive traffic and engagement. Just imagine uploading a few videos every day and watching your followers grow without ever having to show your face on camera. But that's not all. The bundle also comes with some incredible bonuses that make it even more appealing. You'll get a guide on how to make $1,000 with PLR this week, a quick start guide to repurposing PLR with no technical skills required, and strategies for generating massive viral traffic. These bonuses alone are worth $1,800, and they're included for free. If you've been searching for a low-effort, high-reward way to tap into viral content, this is it. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking to experiment with short videos, this bundle is a no-brainer. I've gone through it myself, and the quality is impressive. So, if this sounds like something you're interested in, don't wait too long. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.